Sri Swami Maharaj Bhagwan Ki Jai. Everyone repeat after me. United we stand. Let me tell you a story. There was a king whose army had many soldiers. One day the king wanted to teach a lesson to his army. He wanted to test the soldiers, how far, how intelligent, how dead they are. The king asked for a bundle of arrows. He called the strongest soldier to try and break it, but even the strongest soldier could not succeed. Let me show you. Then, taking a single arrow from the bundle, he told the weakest soldier to break it. The weakest told the weakest soldier to break it, and the soldier broke it instantly. The king told all of the soldiers in his army that if we remain united like this, then no one will be able to break you. No one will be able to defeat you. It's natural. Single, every can break it. But if it's in a bundle, no one can break. Or no one will try to break you. But if you don't have unity, you will break easily. But if you don't have unity, then anyone can break you. So from this we learn, united we stand, divided we fall. In satsang, we are all one team. Whole satsang, one team. We are all one body. The greatest victory is not that only your team wins, but that we keep SAMP with all teams. So play with SAMP. Now the game is SAMP. So play with SAMP. Play with humility. Starting the game, first page lago, and then at the end of the game, again we should bow each other, play with discipline, no swearing, no arguing, and no fighting. These are the 4 conditions that you should maintain. Then only you can have SAMP. Then Maharaj and Swami will be Raji. He will be lift you up in their hands. He will be with you on the football pitch. If Maharaj Swami, if they are with you in football pitch, then victory is sure. All the best to all the players. બધાને આશીર્વાદ છે.
ઘન શ્યામ મારી સાથે રમવા આવશો કે નહીં, આવશો કે નહીં. ઘન શ્યામ મારી સાથે રમવા